You can see the view. This is the Malot Chowk, Abohar, and traffic jam is a big problem here. You can see the thing. This is Malot Chowk, Hanumangarh bypass, and this is a big problem for traffic jam. So I am showing a very important view. Early morning, the traffic jam is a big problem actually. You can see the thing. This is the, you can see Hanumangarh bypass. Malot Chowk is also available here. A very big problem in Abohar. And this area is very congested area. Very congested area. Administration also playing a very important role. But you can see the thing. See, these things create a various accident, and traffic jam is a very big problem here. There are various auto rickshaws, and you can see various auto rickshaws are here, but there is, you can see the thing. This is a very crowded area, and people are not so intelligent. They are continuously creating new problems. You can see the pattern of traffic. Traffic jam is a great problem in Abohar also. You can see the thing. Although Punjab police is surrounding, but jam is a big problem. Jam is traffic. Yeah. These are the auto rickshaws, and in both way, you can see the thing. In both way, auto rickshaws are continuingly without any traffic rules. There is no traffic rules. There is no any. You can see the thing. This is a very big problem. You can see the thing. These are the big traffic. You can see that. This is also big problem. Very big. You see the pattern of driving. You see the pattern of driving. So it is a much problematic area in this chowk. This is called Malot Chowk, but you cannot control the traffic here. People are creating their rules. There is no specific rule. People are driving from both sides, wrong sides. So it is a big problem. Although traffic officers are also here, but he is unable to control the thing. So administration may, you can say, create the new rules, regulations. Actually, Punjab, basically the Malwa area is a very crowded area. A lot of population is residing here, and there is no rule, regulations are here. Everything is out of control. So this is my humble request to all of you. Please maintain the. There are big traffics also creating some problems. There is no rule or traffic rule. This is very crowded area, and approximately in morning and evening, you can see the thing. You can see the thing. I am showing very important. Stray animals also is a big problem. You can see the thing. So there are various stray animals. You can see and can observe the things. This is very crowded area here. There is no traffic rule, and crossing the limits. So there is a very big problem. Administration must follow the rule, regulations, and thank you very much. Thank